Okay, so there we go. So this thing was in there about like 10, 15 minutes maybe. So it's all braced up. The skin is tight on it now. It's seized all the butter inside the pocket in here. You can feel it's all fucking butter in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the bacon with bacon now, and it's going to go back in the oven. So anyway, some of the stuff, guys, I wanted to show you here that I got in there. So this is actually Indian spices. It's an Indian hot spicy curry I put in there. This is from Thailand. It's a bit of the same thing. It's a bit of a spicy beef stock from Thailand. Can't buy that in Canada, by the way. That's from Rusty. Turmeric, obviously. I use a lot of turmeric all the time. This is from the Big Smoke. Adam is super good. This is one of his spicy rubs with a bit of that in there. This is his chicken salt. I didn't use any chicken salt there because I don't need to use salt in this thing. It's already like salt enough. And then I use, of course, the old like Montreal Space a little bit. I use a little bit of this pork spicy mix as well too, and then a bit of the pork stuff, you know. So this stuff here also, it's homemade from our local farmer. This is Little Craft Farm. So this is garlic powder. I use a lot of that. I buy, like, she's got this whole kit as well too with different flavors, garlic powder. So all this stuff is in there. This is also a Pai Thai paste from Thailand as well too. Again, you can't buy that in Canada. So this is a bit of a sweet and salty in the same time too. I got put some maple syrup as well too that I did not show you guys earlier. But this is about the amount of wine that I put in there. So it's not that much. You don't want too much, right? It's going to be tons of juice getting in there. Once this whole thing is wrapped in bacon and stuff. Look at the butt. It closed pretty goddamn good, right? So I'm going to wrap this thing in bacon now. It's going to go back in the oven. I just wanted to say thank you to my good buddy here. Man, he's just rocking it, eh? I've been cooking for like 2-3 hours now. That show was a Christmas show he did Thursday night. It's on for 4 hours. It's just been going on and on, non-stop ripping out, party in my living room while I'm cooking. This guy saved my life during COVID, man. Oh my God, so good. It's great to have him in my living room, in my kitchen, while I'm cooking a little turkey dinner party, cooking turkey. All right, kids, I'll show you up another video when the turkey's all wrapped up.